guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, but I started a cosmetics line, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys go check out the website. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my lip glosses. I start off with my lip gloss base, and then I pour the 2 oils I use in the base and mix it to, I get it to the consistency that I prefer. And that takes about like 5 minutes, depending on how much you're using. It could take longer. So I just sped it up some because nobody got time to be sitting here watching me mix that for 5 minutes. Okay, so next I'm going to put some oil in a bowl and then get my brown pigment and just mix that together till it's well blended to my liking. I prefer to mix my pigments with some oil first before putting it into my lip gloss base. I just like the outcome better that way. I'm going to add more oil because this was too thick to what I prefer my texture to be of the pigments when I put it in the base. So I'm going with my white pigment and just add a few drops to brighten up the color to get it to where I want it to be. I did this about like 4 times. Yeah, this is my first time making a big batch of this. Normally I make a small one and I don't even use that many drops of the white pigment. But I just do that until I get it to the color I like it to be. Alright, so now that I got it to the color I want it to be, I just added it to my lip gloss base and I just start mixing it up until it's well blended. Now, once everything is all blended and I got it to the consistency I want, I get my syringe and I put my pipette at the end of it. And then everything's clean. I make sure everything's clean. And then I put the lip gloss inside the syringe. I fill it up halfway. Once I put the desired amount I want in the syringe, I push it down and make sure some is coming out at the tip already, so I won't have like a lot of air bubbles or anything. And then I get my clean lip gloss tube and I just start filling it from the corners and work my way up. Once my tubes is filled, I put on the stopper in the top and then I clean it with alcohol and put on my labels. But I wasn't in frame when I was doing that because I kind of forgot I was recording. But my next video is going to tell you guys how I started my business and all the products I sell and the products I will be selling. So guys, this is how I make my lip glosses. But I'll make sure to leave the link to my website and my Instagram down below so you guys can go check it out. And thanks for watching.